Welcome! In this video, we'll explore how to manage your bookings and appointments. Each time a customer makes a booking, you'll receive a notification email that includes a calendar invitation with an ICS file, allowing you to easily add the appointment to your schedule. To manage your bookings, click Libraries and Tools, then select Bookings. Click on any booking to view its details. You can also use the search bar to find a specific booking by title or customer name. Now, let's take a look at appointment bookings. Click on an appointment to see the details and cancel it if necessary. Back in the order list, you can also search for appointments using a customer's name or booking ID. Additionally, you can sort bookings by service type or staff member. Under All Orders, you'll find a complete overview of all transactions made on your website, including appointments and bookings. Now let's go back to the event we created. You'll also be able to see the number of seats booked for that specific event, keeping track of attendance at a glance. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial series. You now have everything you need to sell services, manage appointments, and bookings on your Portfoliobox website. Thanks for watching.